In this video, I'm going to show you how to make the Potion of Slowness in Minecraft. So to make this potion, we'll need to stick a fermented spider eye up top. And now you can either use a Potion of Swiftness or a Potion of Leaping, and these will both turn into a Potion of Slowness. As you can see, slowness for 1 minute 30. So put these here. Now you can also do this with the extended time versions of both of these potions. As you can see, we've got slowness for 4 minutes. So we can put these here. Now if you want a slowness 2, you can't just stick a speed 2 or a jump boost 2 in. You'll need to stick in a base slowness and then stick in a bit of redstone dust. And here we have slowness 4. You can also extend the time by just getting a base slowness potion and sticking in some redstone dust. So now that's brewed, we've got another 4 minute potion here. Now we can stick a slowness 4, slowness for 4 minutes, and I guess we'll stick another one in, and then stick some gunpowder in, and this will turn them into splash potions. And here we are, here's all our potions. So if I start running, you can see normal speed, chuck down this, our field of view changes, and now I'm pretty slow. Thank you for watching the video. If you found it useful, please like and subscribe.